service to London Heathrow today. Welcome aboard to all of you. First of all, some introductions. Up here flying the airplane with me in a moment or two. Senior First Officer Tim Capperell. Great cabin crew team looking after you back there, as I say. Senior cabin crew member at the front here is Chris McGlendon, working with Chris at the front got Joe, and at the back got Arena and Rebecca. Cabin crew's main role today, that's to look after your safety and security. I'm sure they'll also do the best to make you feel at home on this flight to London. So we've just got a few minutes until we're scheduled to go. We're just waiting on a couple of passengers. Just wondering if they're being held up in security for some reason. We'll give them a chance to get to the flight. If they don't travel with us today, we've just got to get their bags out of the hold though. We'll see how that goes and keep you abreast of that if it's going to cause any delay. So as I say, scheduled to push back in a few minutes. Taxi out to the runway will not take long, certainly less than 10 minutes today. And the flight down to London should take no more than around about 35 minutes. Once we do get on the way and taxi out, Chris and the cabin crew, they're going to run through a safety demonstration back there. As they go through that, please can I ask that you give the cabin crew your full attention. It just takes a couple of minutes. I'll be personally grateful for that. The other thing I need to mention is the seatbelt policy. I'm sure you're regular travellers, or as regular as we can be these days. Seatbelt signs are just above your heads there in the ceiling panel. When they are switched on, please take seats and fasten seatbelts, please. Not sure how good the views are going to be today. Today we're departing to the southwest over the top of Jodrell Bank. There's quite a lot of cloud, a bit of rain around at the moment, and that's a pretty similar forecast for the other end, but I'll tell you some more about that later. So as I say, just maybe one more passenger to come, and then we should be getting underway.
Any personal devices with flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a cockpit. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care your device does not get lost within your seat. If it does, please don't move it, but let one of your cabin crew know. Devices must be switched off and disconnected from sea power when not being used in flight. Please ensure your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone. In the case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Ensure that your seat is now upright and in the takeoff position with the armrest down and your table folded away. Window blinds must now be open in preparation for takeoff. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted anywhere whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
If you go secure your seats for takeoff. Thank you. I'm your in-flight manager on board this flight to London Heathrow. We'll be looking forward to welcoming you back to the skies and connecting you with friends and family. I would like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our executive club members and One World frequent flyers. We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and it must be securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When it is safe to leave your seats, please take care of opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. On today's flight, we're pleased to offer you our Wi-Fi service. To connect, join the BA Wi-Fi network, open the browser, type shop.ba.com and discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. And please note, video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. We are proud to announce the launch of our new online highlight magazine, which is available for free via the Wi-Fi login screen on your phone or tablet. Here you can discover the latest information and inspiration for your future travels. In-seat power is available in your seat area and will be ready for you once these seatbelt signs are switched off. And once again, I'd like to take this opportunity to share with you some important information about our new hygiene and safe distancing measures in flight. We ask you to stay in your seats as much as possible and avoid walking around the cabin or queuing in the galley areas. Before using the toilets, we ask you to check the green vacant signs are lit to avoid waiting in line. We require all customers to wear a face mask at all times during the flight. out of respect and for the benefit of your fellow customers and our crew. When wearing your mask, important that it covers both your mouth and nose, such as the masks our team members are wearing. A reminder that masks can only be removed for a reasonably short period when you're actively consuming food and drink. They should not be left off for the duration of the meal service. The same also applies if you are resting or sleeping. Please ensure you have your mask on. If you require assistance or feeling unwell, please remain seated and press the call bell in your seat area, and this will allow the cabin crew to provide assistance at your seat. We are about to start our onboard service. If you are seated in our Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering you a complimentary meal and drinks in the bar. In Euro Traveller, we'll be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. Pre-purchased Speedbird Cafe items will also be served. For further information and to pre-purchase food and drinks from the Speedbird Cafe for your next flight, or to purchase duty-free for a future flight or home delivery, please connect to BA Wi-Fi and enter highlineshop.com. If there is anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, then please do let one of us know.
Once we have arrived, we will be disembarking all customers in small groups. Please remain seated until your seat row number is announced. Please also follow the safe distance markers within the airport terminal. Thank you. Cabin crew, seats for landing. Thank you.
at 11:22, welcome to London Heathrow. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until your fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to leave, it is please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all of your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated area. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. If your journey ends here at Heathrow and leaving the aircraft, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. If you have a connecting flight from Heathrow today, then please check the information screens for your departure gate number. If it is not yet displayed, then please follow the purple signs to flight connections. Please be aware that all liquids, including contents from onboard mini tickets, will be screened prior to your next flight. To enable you to take these liquids onto your next flight, these items must be placed into a clear plastic bag, which are available at airport security. Customers using a British Airways mobile app can receive connecting gate information and boarding notifications if you have your device switched on. You can also connect using the free Wi-Fi offered by Heathrow Airport. When the seatbelt signs are switched off, please remain seated and refrain from collecting personal belongings from the overhead stowages until your row number is announced, as we will be disembarking all customers in smaller groups. Please continue to wear your face mask as you leave the aircraft, including if you are on any ground transport and until you exit the terminal building. All of us at British Airways and One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in the South East, and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you are travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. On behalf of my team in the cabin, it's been a pleasure having you back on board with us, and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Thank you, and good day.
Thanks so much. Doors to manual and cross check.